डियर स्टूडेंट्स क्लास 10 अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कल हमें ये मालूम हुआ कि रामलाल जो नंबर था गाँव का, उसके गांव में तहसीलदार साहब आ गया और उसने इफ्तिताह किया प्राइमरी स्कूल का। आफ्टर दैट a conversation started between Ramlal and his wife. What happened after that? Let us begin our lesson today. The next day Ramlal caught Bully by the hand and said, the next day दूसरे दिन क्या हुआ? Ramlal caught Bully by the hand and said, रामलाल ने अपनी बेटी बुली का हाथ पकड़ लिया और कहा, come with me, आओ मेरे साथ, I will take you to school, मैं आपको स्कूल ले जा रहा हूँ। बुली was frightened, बुली को खौफ हुआ, वो खौफजदा हो गई। She did not know what a school was like, उसे मालूम नहीं था कि स्कूल क्या होता है। She didn't know. She remembered how a few days ago their old cow Lakshmi had been turned out of the house and sold. उसे सिर्फ एक चीज मालूम था उससे पहले कि उसकी जो गाय थी लक्ष्मी के नाम से पुकारते थे, अब उस गाय को उसको भेज दिया गया। The cow was sold. No, she shouted. उसने चिल्लाया, no, I will not come. In terror, खौफ के मारे उसने रामलाल को बोला, she will not come with you to school, and pulled her hand away from her father's grip. और उसने अपने हाथ को छुड़ाने की कोशिश की, हाथ को छुड़ाया बाप के उस पकड़ से। What is the matter with you, you fool? shouted रामलाल. अरे पागल, अरे बेवकूफ, रामलाल ने कहा, चलाते हुए कहा, I am only taking you to school, मैं तुम्हें सिर्फ स्कूल ले जा रहा हूँ। Then he told his wife, let her wear some decent clothes today, or what will the teachers and other school girls think of us when they see her? फिर अपनी वो बीवी से बोला, उससे कुछ बढ़िया कपड़ा पहना दे, नए कपड़े पहना दे, ताकि वो दूसरे लड़कियां या वो दूसरे उस्ताद किराम क्या सोचेंगे इसके बारे में, वो क्या देखेंगे। New clothes had never been made for Bully. इससे पहले बुली ने नए कपड़े नहीं पहने थे कभी। The old dresses of her sisters were passed on to her. अमिस ऐस लागा पन्ने बेनिन हैं पुराने कपड़े, old clothes. No one cared to mend or wash her clothes. कह ओसन तमसिन कपड़ छलान, तमसिन पलो छलान या तस का मरम्मत ओसन तस करान की। But today she was lucky, as Bully Khushkismat, she was lucky to receive a clean dress which had shrunk after many washings and no longer fitted Champa. तिक्याज ये ड्रेस ओस जो उसकी बड़ी बहन थी वो धोते हुए सो सुकड़ामुत, वो श्रुंक ओस गुमुत, सुकड़ गया था, जो चंपा का था पहले, अब उसको लगाया गया। She was even bathed and oiled, was rubbed into her dry and matted hair. अमिस आव स्नान करने, अमिस मस ओस या तुम हम आजम कश पचपन ओस, गंदे बाल, उनमें तेल लगाएगा, oiled her hair and rubbed, combed, तसाव कंगो करने। Only then did she begin to believe that she was being taken to a place better than her home. फिर उसको बोली को ये एहसास हुआ कि अमिस बेकुन तथ जाय निवान युस बेहतर अमिस करनिस, that is school. When they reached the school, the children were already in their classrooms. Yelim school word, the children were already in the classrooms. Beyi bache already panis classes mas. Ramlal handed over his daughter to the headmistress. रामलाल ने अपनी बेटी को हेडमिस्ट्रेस के हवाले कर दिया। Left alone, अकेला छोड़ा, the poor girl looked about her with fear-laden eyes. वो उस कमरे में देख रही उन लड़कियों की तरफ, उसके आंखों में खौफ था, fear-laden eyes. There were several rooms, and each room girls like hopscotched on mats. वहाँ बहुत सारे कमरे थे, कमरों में उसकी जैसी लड़कियां चटाइयों पर पालती मारी बैठी हुई थी, रीडिंग फ्रॉम बुक्स और राइटिंग ऑन स्लेट्स. Some girls were reading books and some were writing on slates. The headmistress asked Bully to sit down in a corner in one of the classroom. तो headmistress ने बुली को बोला, sit in the corner of the classroom, बैठो उस कमरे के कोने में जा. Bully did not know what exactly school was like and what happened there, but she was glad to find so many girls almost of her own age present there. बोली को ये मालूम नहीं था कि स्कूल किस तरह का होता, वहाँ क्या होता, लेकिन उसने बहुत सारी लड़कियों के जो उसके हम उम्र थी, and she became happy. She hoped that one of these girls might become her friend. तो ये कई बार उसको उम्मीद थी कि some of girls of her age will become her friends, कि लड़की बनन इमसन दोस्त सहेली बनन. The lady teacher who was in the class was saying something to the girls, but Bully could understand nothing. जो उस्तानी वहाँ पढ़ा रही थी उस कमरे में, तो वो उन लड़कियों से कुछ कह रही थी, but Bully couldn't understand. Bully को कुछ नहीं समझ आया. She looked at the pictures on the wall. There were some pictures on the wall. Bully was looking on these pictures. She looked at the pictures on the wall. The colors fascinated her. The horse was brown just like the horse. उसने जब वो तस्वीर देखे थे, she got fascinated. She got interested. She saw the horse on the wall of brown color, on which the Tahsildar had come to visit their village. The goat was black like the goat of their neighbor. The parrot was green like the parrot she had seen in the mango orchard, and the cow was just like their Lakshmi. Bully saw so many pictures there on the wall. Horse, goat, cow, and parrot. Am bashai mis gav bashas pani go guru bashas tat guru su yas per tahsildar ay it is gamas man the ye bashas parrot tuthi imushat mango trees per am gulis per ushan gairi. And suddenly Bully noticed that the teacher was standing by her side, smiling at her. अचानक Bully ने देखा the teacher was standing, उस्तानी वहाँ खड़ा थी उसके पास, and she was smiling at her. Teacher was smiling at her. उस्तानी जो उसके पास खड़ी थी वो मुस्करा रही थी. She was smiling. What's your name, little one? उस्तानी ने उसको बोला, What's your name? Can she now? Boo, boo, boo. She could stammer no further than that. She couldn't say her name because she was a stammerer. And she said only boo, boo, boo. Then she began to cry and tears flowed from her eyes in a helpless flood. After that she tried once again, but she couldn't. And after that tears flowed from her eyes in a helpless flood. उसके आंखों से आंसू बह गए. She kept her head down. उसने अपना सर नीचे कर दिया. In her corner, not daring to look up in the girls who she knew were still laughing at her. जो लड़कियां थी वो हंस रही थी उस पर. And after that she sat down. नीचे बैठ गई and kept her head down. उसने अपना नीचे सर नीचा कर दिया. When the school bell rang, जब स्कूल की घंटी बज गई, ring का poster rang, all the girls scurried out of the classroom. आखिर जब घंटी बजी सब क्लास की सब लड़कियां भाग गई. But Bully dared not to leave her corner. बुली को ये जरूरत नहीं हुआ कि वो भी अपनी क्लास को छोड़ दे. Her head still lowered. उसका सर अभी नीचा था. She kept on sobbing. वो सिसकियां भर रही थी. After that what happened? इसके बाद क्या हुआ? Let us see it tomorrow inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.